NCC withdraws sanction threat against Starlink. The Nigerian Communications Commission has surprisingly reversed its position regarding potential sanctions against Elon Musk-owned internet company Starlink over recent price increase. The reversal comes after the Commission's initial stance against Starlink's recent price adjustments, which were reported earlier by NaijaNews TV. Dr. Ruben Morka, the NCC's Director of Public Affairs, has withdrawn his earlier statement threatening enforcement actions against Starlink Nigeria to Nairametrics, acknowledging it as an error of assertion. This development follows Starlink's controversial price increase last week, dramatically increasing monthly subscriptions from 38,000 naira to 75,000 naira. New customers will also face an increase in hardware costs, with Starlink kit now priced at 590,000 naira, up from 440,000 naira. The company attributed these increases to excessive inflation in Nigeria. However, this move has sparked debate within the telecommunications industry. As represented by Alton and Atcon, local operators have pointed out what they see as a double standard in regulatory approach. The NCC and Minister of Communications, Innovation and Digital Economy, Dr. Bosun Tijani, maintained their position against general tariff increases, encouraging operators to seek innovative solutions to address rising operational costs. The Commission's withdrawal of its sanctions threat against Starlink has now raised questions about regulatory consistency in Nigeria's telecommunications sector. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for further updates.